Hi, Glenn here from GMT Point and Specialist Limited. Just a little tip here. If you're going to be working on the scaffolding when it's raining, get some visqueen, get rolls of it, 50-metre lengths or 25-metre lengths. Just roll it out, but what you want to do is have it so it's pulling and catching the water. It was raining all day yesterday and I worked under the scaffolding, no problems. The other thing is, I'm nearly finished now. When I come to clean the windows, what I'll do is I'll move these inside boards away from the windows, so it'll let light back into the house, and it'll also stop any splashing from the boards, from the dirty boards onto the glass. Do that if you know nobody else is going to be using the scaffolding. Nobody else tends to use my scaffolding after I'm finished with it. And if you're using scaffolders regular, clean all the boards, make sure it's nice and tidy for them, and then they won't hike your prices up, because if you leave dirty boards and the scaffolders aren't happy, they might not work for you again, or they might charge you more next time. So keep your scaffolding clean.